Welcome to Oakfarm Kisumu campus, the beacon of skill-based education in East Africa. In partnership with the OUA, we are dedicated to empowering the future leaders of tomorrow. Our diverse programs span STEM, business, media, and artificial intelligence. We also delve into the fields of electrical and renewable energy, plumbing, and fashion. Aspiring designers can explore shoe and interior design courses at our vibrant campus. Automotive aficionados and tech enthusiasts can advance in computer design. We equip our students with practical training for real-world applications. At Oak Farm, we prepare you for diverse and successful career paths. Our commitment extends to offering top-notch STEM teacher training. Quality education is our promise, creating a ripple effect in learning. Join us at our Kisumu campus, a hub of innovation and growth. We emphasize hands-on experience to meet industry demands. Oak Farm is your gateway to a brighter future filled with opportunities. Be part of shaping East Africa's economic growth and development. Our programs are designed to be both comprehensive and impactful. We offer the tools, knowledge, and support to transform ideas into reality. With us, you're not just a student, you're a future leader in the making. Discover a unique learning experience where your ambitions take flight. Oak Farm Kisumu campus, where education meets real-world success. Join us today and take the first step towards empowering your future.